Hi there, welcome to OSU Drupal Droplets. This is Joe Finn with Oregon State University's Web and Mobile Services. And today we're going to continue our exploration of the media module by taking a look at how to upload a single file into the media library. To get started, we need to go to the media library. So we will hover on the word content up here in the admin menu, then go down and click the files item here in the menu. Once we are on our table of files, then we just very simply click the Add File button. So you'll come to kind of a blank, almost looking page. It's really simple. Just look for the link that says Add Files here and click it, and it will open up a dialog with your computer. So then you locate where your files are, grab a file, hit Open, and then click Start Upload. It happens very quickly. So once this is grayed out here, you just click the Next button, and it'll take you to a form. So this form is pretty handy here. It allows you to enter in a bunch of metadata about your file. That metadata is very handy. A few things here. Where it says name, this is actually the administrative name, and it's how the title shows up in both that long list on your table as well as your thumbnails. You can actually come up with a naming strategy for your files and implement that here with the name so it helps you find things more readily. So here I'm just going to call it Beaver Niblet. Alt text, this is really important accessibility wise. What this should do is it should describe what's happening in the picture. It should be very short and very to the point. It doesn't need to be overly descriptive. It just needs to explain what's going on in the picture. This is used for a screen reader for people who have some form of visual impairment. And so here we're just going to say Beaver eating a niblet. That's enough. Then we click Save. And notice this is that name that we changed here, Beaver Niblet. And if we click on thumbnails, you'll see that you also have that title here. Notice how this is a lot smaller than a lot of these big long titles here, and it doesn't overtake the thumbnail. And then if we click on it, of course, it will take us to that information about the actual file. And here we can change the alt text if we want, we can change the name, and you can actually replace the file too, which is pretty handy. And that's about it. So this has been Joe Finn with Oregon State University's Web and Mobile Services, and I look forward to seeing you in future tutorials.